Let's do JavaScript output based interview question. We have 30 question and mostly we have a plus operator because it will cause string concatenation if any of operand is a string. Then we have loosely equal to, like double equal to exercise. So let's do first, like console.log true and false. What will be the output for this question? We can do question 1. Here it will, so we don't have any, so we have to uh, know the rules to like not guess the output. Like we can, we don't have any string, so it will convert into number. This true became 1 and false became 0, so output will be number 1. For question 1 the output will be 1. As you can see, output is 1. Let's move to second question. Here we have operand is one operand is string. Second question, so it will do string concatenation, so output will be false and 1. For second, false and 1, as you can see. Let's move to third. Null plus 1, we don't have any string here. Null plus 1, so it will convert to number to do addition. Null convert to number became 0 plus 1. This is already number, so 0 plus 1 became number 1. So exercise 3, console 3 have answer number 1, so correct. Console.log undefined plus 1, we don't have any string here. Also undefined plus 1, null became 0 when we do number conversion, but undefined became not a number, and nan. So if we try to do number undefined, it will become not a number, and we can do not a number plus 1 became also not a number, so the fourth answer is not a number. Okay. Console.log empty array plus 1, this one little tricky. Empty array, we don't have any string, but when this uh, empty array try to become like convert into empty string, so it will start with string, then it will convert into number at the end, but here it will become empty string. So empty string plus 1, so it will do concatenation because this will become empty string. Empty string plus 1 became 1 as an string, so this one is a string inside console.log 5. Let's move to 6. True plus 1, we have also here true plus empty string, true plus empty string. So empty array became string And so because of this empty string, it will concatenate with true, so it will become true as in string for 6 1. So true is a string here on the sixth question. Let's move to 7. So this is already 7. So I think I copied 2 times. So 1 plus empty string. I think I 1 plus empty string also like became this will become empty string, so it will do concatenation with 1. So this also 6 1 also became string 1. Let's move to 8. Empty string empty array plus false. Empty array plus false, this will become empty string. So false is in string question 8. False is in string, it will take some time. False is a string. 9. Null and empty array, this will become empty string. So null is a string. Answer concatenation. Null is a string. Undefined also here became string on the 10th question. The answer is undefined plus this string concatenation, because it will become string. Undefined is a string on the 10th. 11th we have string, so we don't have right now here the plus operator. In plus operator we have to only check whether any operand string or not, otherwise it will do number conversion and do all the like minus, multiplication and all the things. So we don't have to worry about string concatenation, because here 5 became number 5. Number 5 minus 2 is 3. This is 11. Number 5 minus 2 became number 3. So 11 answer is number 3. Okay, let's do 12. Here we have plus, so it will do string concatenation, because here operand, if one operand is string, it will become 52 as in string. Answer 12 is 52 as in string. 13. What is 13? Again plus and string operand, it will do string concatenation. That will be 25 as an number, as in string. 25 as in string. Right now we don't have plus on the 14, so it won't do string concatenation. It will do only number conversion and multiplication. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. on the 14 as a number. Let's move to 15. 10 divided by 2, that will be 5. We have string but we don't have plus sign, plus operator, so it will do 5 in number on the 15. 5 in number and the 15. Let's do 16. 10 minute already done. False is equal to 0. On is equal to, we have to, on loosely equal to, double equal to, we have to know the rules that it's, if it's null and undefined and not a number, then it will always false with other value, but with only itself it will be true, but not a number, with itself also false. And like null is equal to undefined also became a true, so that also we have to careful. Otherwise this boolean and all other value try to convert into primitive. This is also primitive, but this will convert into number like 1 and 0. Here false is became 0 and true becomes 1, and array and object became empty string, and object became object as in string. So here it will convert into 0, and 0 is equal to 0 is true. 16 became true. 16 is true. 17, this will become number 0, and this empty string convert into number also became 0, so this is also true. 17 also true. What is the email? Okay, 17, then 18. What is the 18? This is also true because 0 is 0 and empty string became convert into number, that will be 0. Why this is taking so much time? Let's move to 19. Null is equal to undefined is true. I already said that on the 19. Above 18 also true, and this also true. 18, 19 both true. 18, 19 both true. Let's move to 20. Null is equal to 0, so here it won't follow that plus sign rule. Null not converted into 0. Here we have it will become false. Null and undefined will not same to other value until it's undefined or within itself comparison. 0 it will become false. If we do plus it will become 0, but here it won't, it will 20 will be false. 20 is false, as you can see. 21, empty empty array is equal to false on the 21. Here empty array become string, and empty string convert into number is 0, and here this false convert it number into 0, so 0 is equal to 0 is true, 21 is true. I hope you can see 21 is true. 22, empty array and empty string is also true, because this empty array become string, convert into string, then converted into empty string, and this will also empty string, so 22 is true. 22 is true. 23, we have 0 inside array, this will become string 0, and string 0 converted into number is 0, so 23 is also true. 23 is true. 0 is equal to number 0 is equal to 0. Let's do 24. Array with one string 1, it will become string 1, after that convert into number 1, and true convert into number 1, so number 1 equal to number 1 is true for 24. 24 is true. 26, 25, null is equal to 0. Here little tricky, this null became an empty string when it's try to convert this array of null, try to convert into string, it will become empty string convert into 0, and 0 equal to 0, when we can do string null, like we can do null string, this is true. 25 is true, and this null string became empty string, so you can see here empty string. If we do only null, then it will be null as in string. Let's move to 26. This will invert into boolean values. Empty array is a truthy value, so true invert into false, this will become false, and this one is converted into empty string, so we will get for 26, we will get for 26 false as in string, false as in string, 26 false as in string, 27, 19 minute 27. So it will, when we use two exclamation, then it won't change, like it change, but it will, when we see, if we want to quickly solve, we can see if we have two ternary operator, then it will be same as first. This will true value, truthy value, so it will become true plus false. True became 1 and false became 0, so answer is number 1, as in number as 1, not string. So 27 answer is 1 as a number. 27 1 as a number. 28, here this plus sign convert any string into number, so this will become 5 as a number. So 5 plus 2, it won't do string concatenation, it will do 5 plus 2, that will be 7 for 28. 7 for 28. Last plus sign on the empty string. 29. It will be 0, because empty string, when we do empty string, when we convert number of empty string, it will become 0, so the 29 answer is 0, is 0. Last question, that will be 30. 1 plus null and empty string, so here it will be, here one operand is string, so it will do string concatenation, but I think it will do first 1 plus 0, that will be, it will convert into number, so we will get 1 as a string here. 1 plus 0 plus empty string, that will be 1 as a string for 30, as you can see. So we solved all the question in 23 minutes. Thank you.